Okay. All right. This is Sweet Sound Sound Lab, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So it's a new work coming up in Osun State, Oshogbo here, and for some of you, you may want to know that the CEO of Sweet Sound Empire, okay, as a member of Fogman in Osun State and in Nigeria. So there's a little work that we are setting up around here. So we have come as a delegate of Fogman to actually see things that God is doing in this place. Glory to God. Amen. So shall we start from here or we go inside? We can. Okay, we can just let's start from here. So this is some of the things that we have here. Okay, can you just talk to us?
Okay, all right. This is Sweet Sound Studio, and we have one of the best production that you can ever imagine, and we have good instruments, gadget that we can use for your music.
I mean, this is M-Audio,
yes,
BX8.
Yes, BX8, the biggest size.
Yeah. Okay,
and,
just setting up.
Yes.
Just setting up.
Yes, sir.
All right.
The keyboard.
Okay, we have some of the accompaniments around here. Okay,
Yes.
we check the cubicle. Okay, that should be only
yes. For
percussions.
Yes, percussions.
Percussions.
And we have another one there.
What's that called?
It's a local.
I know the local name. They call it Sakara.
Yes, sir.
Sakara, I remember. Okay, I
Yes,
remember.
And that's shaker.
Yeah, definitely. Shaker.
Yes,
Yeah.
shaker.
They call it shaker.
Alright, this is a cubicle. And
we're coming up.
yes, sir.
It's a no setup, really. A no setup. So we're just coming up. The work just started, really. So just coming up. A Sweet Sound Studio. So,
Yes, sir.
okay, I think I love the padding of this place. Okay, so we get some more lightning.
Yes.
Then the padding of the house.
Yes. And so in case we want to have a live drum,
live drums.
we're actually planning to have all these digital drums.
Okay, like an electric.
Yes, but
like
for now we have this. And
all right, I think it's coming up. We need money, good money, good money. Glory to Jesus, amen. So you can just, if you are in town, Oshogbo or Osun State, its environment, or neighboring states like Ondo State, Ekiti State, you can come in right here to Switzerland. I think we're located around
Pepsi Cola
in Ayutorino or Oshogbo, Osun State. God bless you in the name of Jesus.